My name is John K. Davis. I'm the floor manager here at Bayshore Chrysler Jeep Dodge in Baytown, Texas. And I want to say thank you for an opportunity to speak to you today. We have been here for about 7 years, and we are very proud of what we're trying to do here in Baytown. If you're interested in a new or a pre-owned car, I want you to give me a call. And if you purchase a car from JD and Bayshore, I'll give you a free flat screen television set to say thank you and to show you that we appreciate your business. 281-421-6000 is the number. If you need a car guy, let JD be your car guy.